Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to remove a watermark from your video using Capcut Mobile. So the way to create it, it's so simple. And let's just go to the tutorial. First, you need to open your Capcut and then import the video that have a watermark on it and you want to remove it from the clip. Okay, and then the second things that you need to do is click the clip like this and you can duplicate this clip. This is the first method to do that. Duplicate it and then set it as an overlay like this. Now you have two clip, and the first one is main clip and the second one is the overlaid clip. And now you need to go to the overlaid clip, swipe left your toolbar until you found this effect button, click it and then go to video effect, and then on the search bar you need to click it and type blur. This one, just search it and use a blur effect on it. So let's just find the perfect blur effect. I think this one. When you are ready adding it onto your overlaid clip like this, now the next thing that you need to do is go to the masking tools. This one, and then use this rectangle mask and put it on the watermark that you want to hide. And before you doing it, make sure that you are adjust the size of it like this. And just send it on the exact position where the watermark is on it. And now when you're done, this is the final result of it. As you can see now, you don't have any watermark on this screen because the watermark is getting blurred on this side. And if it's not still satisfied you can do the second things. So just delete this overlaid clip and then click the main clip like this. Swipe left your toolbar until you found this masking button. And then go on and use this mirror mask and increase the thickness from the mask. Make sure you are not appear the watermark on it. And then when you're done, hit the check button. And as you can see, it's already cut out the watermark from the clip. And one more time, to increase the intensity from the video, you can increase the size of it like this. And now you have this clip without any watermark on it. And that's the way, that's two different ways to do that. And yep, that's from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.